serious challenges to rebuild its armed forces. As of January 2026, Syria's efforts to rebuild its armed forces remain a precarious endeavor, marked by persistent integration hurdles, resource deficits, and escalating security threats that could undermine the transitional government's stability. While progress has been made in forming divisions and forging international partnerships, challenges such as jihadist infiltration within security forces, ongoing sectarian violence, and the resurgence of ISIS, evidenced by recent coalition strikes, continue to exacerbate fragmentation and delay professionalization. Sanctions and geopolitical pressures, including Israeli actions and external influences, further complicate reconstruction, with nearly 800,000 returnees facing security gaps that hinder broader national recovery. For Syria to achieve a unified, effective military and sustainable peace in 2026, urgent international support to lift sanctions, enhance training, and address sectarian divides is essential. Otherwise, the risk of renewed conflict looms large, potentially eclipsing the hopeful aspirations of its people.